Keeping things flowing and working properly is vital in the oil and gas industry. With a flameless heater from Aerotech Herman Nelson, you will never have to worry about your job site heaters failing, catching fire, or hurting the environment. We are the purveyors of the finest portable flameless heater on the market. Our line has several units that provide 375,000 BTUs all the way to 1.2 million BTUs. These high-quality flameless heaters will give you a heat rise of over 200 degrees with 5 to 5.5 inches of static pressure. In the field, these rugged diesel-powered units can be counted on to run 26 hours at 100% load. With an emergency shutoff switch and master cutoff switch, you can be assured of your site's safety. Our flameless heaters are significantly more efficient than comparable heaters in the market. One of the advantages of our BT line is the ability to operate properly without constant attention. Our dependability in the field is unmatched. Our flameless heat line has a 12 to 16 week lead time, so we are currently taking pre-book orders for the upcoming cold weather season. Pre-book orders can expect a 3% discount, so place your order now to ensure greater savings and the peace of mind that your equipment will be ready when you need it. Contact Aerotech Herman Nelson today to learn more about our flameless heaters and to place your order.